The UV-RO water filter system boasts an impressive 8-stage filtration process, ensuring that over 1,000 contaminants are effectively removed from your water. Equipped with a smart control panel, this system allows users to customize temperature and volume settings with just a touch, making it perfect for various household needs. Its advanced water-saving technology achieves a 4-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, significantly reducing water waste while providing options for repurposing wastewater. Crafted from food-grade materials and certified by international standards, this system guarantees consistently safe and odor-free water for all family members, including infants and pets. The generous 237-ounce water tank minimizes the need for frequent refills, making it ideal for home, office, camping, or RV use. Thanks to its plug-and-play design, this countertop filter system requires no installation, offering a convenient solution for fresh water no matter where you are.